Good morning, folks. My name is Chris Wenzler, product specialist here at Heritage Ford. This week's showcase or point of view video is going to be on this 2014 Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport. This is a super nice car, folks. Going to be taking her around the block in just a minute. This is equipped with the 6.2 liter V8. This car produces a lot of power. And it's a lot of fun to drive too. Guys, we're going to take her for a spin here in just a second. See how much you guys like it. This particular engine is the same engine in the Chevrolet Corvette. Boy, you just start it up and you can feel the power. Now we're going to take her around the block here real quick, let you guys kind of feel how it feels without touching it. But anyway, folks, we're open today. Today is the 10th. We're open till 5 o'clock. If this vehicle is of interest to you, please feel free to come by and take her for a spin. The last Camaro we had there at Heritage Ford, we had it a grand total of 2 days before we sold it. They're very popular in this area. A lot of fun to drive, very nimble. This car's only got 16,000 miles on it. Was really babied, and you can kind of tell. Tires are practically brand new. I took the measurements on it. They are 10/32. Plenty of tread life left over. Alright, we're getting ready to take our turn right up here. This is where we're going to pick up a little bit of speed. Didn't go too fast there, just 0 to 60, guys. Alright, here we go, heading back to base at Heritage Ford. Folks, we've got a lot of vehicles, getting a whole lot more inventory coming in. Probably on an average last 3 days, we've probably got 10 a day in. Be sure to check us out at heritage.ford, heritagefd.com. We'd sure love to earn your business. We love our product, and we'd love to show you why doing business here at Heritage Ford is a little bit different. You guys, thanks for a little bit of your time. If you have a few minutes, stop by, ask for me. My name's Chris Wenzler, product specialist here at Heritage Ford. Thank you all. Bye-bye.